Morning guys, welcome back to Bryan's Thailand. Okay, it is Sunday morning, just gone 5 AM and I'm with Pi and we're heading up to Phu Langka up in the mountains. See you in a bit. So there you go, here's Phu Langka. We actually should have been left a bit early, probably about 4 AM. We actually caught the sunrise on the way here at Payao, but it's still beautiful. So you've got like a coffee shop here, and down on the bottom you've got like chalets where you can actually camp and put tents in down there. There's a few going around. Oh, what a fantastic view. So as you can see where the sun is, that's a sunrise. So there we go. Pi's doing some amazing footage. She's got her camera out and she's got a time lapse going on down here. So there you go, there's Pi's rig. As you can see, there's some places you can actually, there's like a hotel at the back there, and there's another one that's just building across the road. It's actually a few hotels here, or resorts. It is well worth a visit. So it's in the Payao region. I'll put a link and I'll put the GPS location so you can see where everything is. If you want to come here, it's well worth the trip. Well worth the trip. You're up early in the morning, especially this time of the year. Normally you can't see the trees down there. You just see the mountain there, that like the peak there coming out the ground. It's just absolutely fantastic. It's well worth doing a time lapse on it. I've done a little bit of a time lapse, so you get to see. So Pi's doing her video. I just thought while I'm up here, I've got requested to do some travel videos. So, and Chiang Rai is one of my favourite places to visit. So I thought I'd show you around. Okay, just to show you. Down there, you've got like a hotel there. In the back of there's a hotel and like resort, and the same there. There's another one just round the bend. So it's called Route 1148 Calf. So we're building another one over there. Called the restaurants where you can eat food. See, they're building chalets there, so you can stay. There's another good view on the other side. But it's just anywhere in Chiang Rai, just amazing views. So just see now over there, the clouds forming over there, the mountain there, and they're going to come down the mountain and fill the basin down there. So I'm going to do a time lapse. Around. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.